Assalamu alaikum people. Hope all doing good. Just finished my workout. I love to eat seasonal food after workout, so I'm eating mango in Modi style. So I'm cooking no oil upma in Samira style. I'm Samira actually. Don't confuse. We are literally not using any oil over here. Okay, so this is no oil upma. Let's start. So this is the kadai which I am using with no oil, no stick, anything at all. Now I keep for heat for a while. Then I will add water. Then slowly, after heating the water, slowly I'm going to add onion, dal, and tomato. I'm adding salt. Then keep for a while so that it can boil and half cooked for the half cooked vegetables. I'm using hing, a pinch of hing, and adding turmeric. Then spicy, I love spicy, so I'm adding more spice. Red chili powder, black cumin. I'm cooking this in my style, so I love whatever I am adding the ingredient. I love those ingredients. Now I'm adding garam masala. Now stir little bit. Sorry for my voice. This is the ginger paste. This is garlic. This is pudina. I kept in refrigerator so it became a black. You can keep it in cloth. If you keep it in cloth, you won't get it color black. It will be green. It will remain green. I'm sorry for my language because English is not my mother tongue, so ups and down will be there. I request you all to bear me with my language. Stir very well so that it can cook properly. We have added dals, so it will take little time, not more. I think 3 to 5 minutes it will take to cook. I'm adding little bit of water. It's according to you how much water you want. You can add it. Now I'm checking it's cooked. Now I'm gradually adding semolina or suji, Bombay rava. I don't want to waste little bit also, so I'm wiping out. Mix it properly. Don't switch off the flame until it cooked properly. Yeah, it's cooked now. Now I'm going to take it in plate. I guess I have already switched off flame. Now I'm going to taste it because we didn't use oil at all, so I'm not sure how it tastes. First time I'm checking this. Let's see. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. It's good. I love it, but a little bit sticky is there because of dal, I guess. I'm not sure. Apart from that stickiness, it's tasting very good. If you are in diet, you don't want to use oil at all, you can use this recipe. It's perfect. I love it. So in coming days I'm going to use this, add this in my diet for no oil diet plan. This is the dates. Whenever I feel craving for the sweet, I used to have dates. Because of me, it is there in my home. Oh, this is so cute part of my life. This is my niece. Name is Mariam. Mariam. Hasho. Shona para. Shona. Mera Shona. She is looking at camera what I am doing. She's confused. She's exactly look like my dad. Shona. So yeah, I'm here. Actually, I had a little bit of upma and I have given to my sister because my sister also wanted to taste it. So now we are properly preparing the breakfast, that is a pasta. So she is preparing pasta in her style. I don't know how to cook pasta properly because whenever I used to cook, it will be like soup and pasta will get separate. So this is my sister's recipe. She is adding cumin in hot oil. She is adding onion. She is afraid of hot oil, so she is throwing the onion actually. Recently she started to cook. She didn't know how to cook. After marriage she has learned. Now she is adding tomatoes. She mashed it. Now I guess she is going to add some spices for this. Oh no, this is ginger garlic paste. Later she will add some spices. So yes, today we had 2 times breakfast. One is no oil upma and another one is pasta. In my childhood, I used to have 3 to 4 time breakfast. One is with my dad, another with my sister, Then with my brothers, and sometimes if relatives come, I used to have with them also. It's remind me that those days memories. Yeah, added the water. You might be thinking, why am I speaking behind the camera? Because I don't have that much confidence to speak in front of the camera. I'm little nervous, and also I'm shy kind of girl. So for me it will take time to come in front of the camera and to speak in front of camera. So it will take time for me because I am new to this YouTube world. She is adding red chili powder. In our family, we love to have spicy food, so we used to add more chili and red chili powder, those kind of things. We love to add more spices and spicy. Turmeric. She's adding more water. I guess this is malli pudi. Malli pudi in English, dhania powder. Dhania is Hindi word. In English, I don't know as of now. Coriander powder, yes. Now she started to add up boiled pasta. So you might be thinking I am using another language and Hindi as well. Actually, my mother tongue is Urdu. So I am basically from Karnataka, Hassan. Then for later we have shifted in Bangalore for 10 years over there. Then I got married to Kerala. Then as of now I am in Chennai. So it's for me it's like a full south, almost not full South Indian tour. South India tour. She added fully pasta. So for me, I don't know any languages completely. I will speak all broken language, even Hindi, English, Kannada, and Urdu also. I use Butler Urdu. If you listen my Urdu, you may bust out laugh. So here secret ingredient of pasta is Domino's oregano. This is the main key. If you don't cook properly, you add it and see the taste. I'm just kidding. It's already. I hopefully it's good. Now she's giving me to taste. Yes, finally she prepared. Now I'm going to taste it. So it's my Shonapara. I'm adjusting my camera. Say Bismillah wala barakatillah. Yummy. Super. I'm telling to my sister, have it, it's nice, because whenever she cook for in more quantity, she missed her balance, like she don't have any idea how to cook for big quantity. My Shonapura is looking at camera. I'm offering her. She still don't know what it is, so she's looking at camera.